Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 4. Competition begins. The morning sun lights the forest. The morning sun lights the forest. The animals gather together. The animals gather together. The monkey climbs a tree. The monkey climbs a tree. The birds fly in the sky. The birds fly in the sky. The bear watches the road. The bear watches the road. The turtle stands very quietly. The turtle stands very quietly. The rabbit stamps its feet. The rabbit stamps its feet. I am ready. I am ready. The turtle takes a deep breath. The turtle takes a deep breath. I am ready too. I am ready too. The deer steps forward. The deer steps forward. We will begin now. We will begin now. The forest becomes quiet. The forest becomes quiet. The wind moves the grass. The wind moves the grass. A bird sits on a branch. A bird sits on a branch. The rabbit looks ahead. The rabbit looks ahead. The turtle also looks ahead. The turtle also looks ahead. The monkey raises its hand. The monkey raises its hand. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. The rabbit jumps forward. The rabbit jumps forward. The ground starts to shake. The ground starts to shake. The animals look surprised. The animals look surprised. The rabbit runs very fast. The rabbit runs very fast. The wind moves to the back. The wind moves to the back. The turtle starts walking. The turtle starts walking. The turtle does not hurry. The turtle does not hurry. I will go like this. I will go like this. The rabbit is smiling. The rabbit is smiling. This race is very easy. This race is very easy. The monkey makes a shout. The monkey makes a shout. The bear watches very quietly. The bear watches very quietly. The fox narrows its eyes. The fox narrows its eyes. The birds move their wings. The birds move their wings. Light enters the forest. Light enters the forest. The rabbit goes very far. The rabbit goes very far. The turtle stays in the back. The turtle stays in the back. The deer waves a flag. The deer waves a flag. Everyone gives support. Everyone gives support. The turtle moves along the road. The turtle moves along the road. I will not stop. I will not stop. The rabbit jumps over a tree. The rabbit jumps over a tree. Leaves dance in the air. Leaves dance in the air. The monkey shows a smile. The monkey shows a smile. The rabbit runs very actively. The rabbit runs very actively. The turtle moves its feet. The turtle moves its feet. Voices echoed in the forest. Voices echoed in the forest. The birds fly very high. The birds fly very high. The race has started. The race has started. The rabbit moves forward. The rabbit moves forward. The turtle also moves forward. The turtle also moves forward. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.